New puddle lights here. It's a T with a Tesla. These are from RPM Tesla. I'm gonna install these, show you guys how that goes. Basically just replacement lights. Just pop them in, ready to go. Basically they're gonna go right under here. So we're replacing that light on both of the front driver and passenger door. And then we got, I'm really excited about these, ultra bright LEDs. Of course they're blue. This is for the Footwells in the Model 3, Abstract Ocean. They make great stuff. And these are gonna go basically right there. See that little light? I'm gonna replace that bad boy. Gonna get a nice little blue in here. You know I'm all about the blue life. Alright, let's get to it. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. A little one would be better, and like something soft. I'm gonna use a tissue and wrap it around just so the sharp edges of the flathead don't, you know, really damage anything. Don't really scratch anything up in there. Don't really break anything, you know what I mean? Alright, so basically gotta get this flathead in the corner here. Stick it in. Just kinda bend it down. Pulls that assembly out. Now you got it a little loose here. Oh, don't lose your little napkin. Little tissue popper. So once you have it hanging like that, you can pull it out a little bit, see how much slack you have with the wiring. It's pretty good. Yeah, decent amount of slack here. So basically, you're just gonna replace this with this. See, it's much bigger too. So it's a stronger light. It's bigger. You're gonna have a nice little logo. You guys will see it. But pretty excited. I guess the L means left. This one goes in the left. The L banger. Alright, so let's pop this out. There's like a little snap button here. Push that down. There you go. You're gonna get a little window action movement, but that's okay. So that's out. I'm gonna put the new one in. Alright, so it's this easy. You just get the new one. So you got this little cable here. It's like a two-prong John. There's two prongs inside there. See them prongers? Prong action. You just pop it in. You get a little snappy cracky because it's kind of bugging out the sensors. But it's okay. There you go. That's in. See, we have light. We have light. And then you're just gonna pop it back in. Same way you got it. Be gentle here, don't want to mess anything up. Just push it in. And it snaps right in usually. There you go, snapped in. Look at that, we're done. It's that easy, folks. Alright, let's go to the other door now. Do that one real quick. There you go, get her loose, get her loose. Pop her down. Now you're good to go. You just pull that little clip out. This one has a little less slack. You see how it's kind of tighter. So you want to be careful. You want to see how, you don't want to pull too much because, you know, you could mess something up inside. Pull it too hard. Go. Pop that one out pretty forcefully. It was a little harder than the other side, but not that bad. Get this in. Oh, car's beeping. It's just faulting, that's why. You know, once it registers that the light is there, it's good to go. think that's in. Oh, there we go. Make sure you get that snap on the clip. And you just put her back in. That's it, folks. That is it. 2 puddle lights in and installed. Flush with the base. Good to go. Good to go. Alright, now we're going to do the passenger side footwell light. So that is that. It comes basically like a pretty dim white light. It's kind of boring. Obviously, I'm going to upgrade that. Same as the door puddle lights. Just use your trusty flathead. Stick it in there, pop it out, pop the switch, and you're good to go. So we got the nice blue LEDs, abstract ocean. It's gonna look real good. It's a little harder because you're kind of bending over, getting into the passenger seat. It's a weird angle, but you know, you gotta make it work. Make it work. Same as the other lights, you just gotta take it out. This one has a good amount of slack, so nothing to worry about. Just pull the switch down. There we go. It's out. Here we go. Time for the blue. Let's see it. If we can get it in. Here we go. Oh yeah. Snap, crackle, popple. Look at that blue. Beautiful. Let's get her in. Just jam it in there. Ah. There we go. Hope we didn't mess anything up. Hard snapper, but it looks like it's still good. Alright, now we're on the driver's side. Underneath the performance pedals, and there it is. Now this one is supposed to be hard as well because it's kind of underneath, deep in there. Might be hard to get, but let's see what we can do. Alright, get our handy dandy flathead. Alright, where are we gonna jam it? Where are we gonna jam it? Let's jam this side. Alright, we got it out. Just gotta get the right angle in. You know, once you get your screwdriver in, really just keep picking at it, kind of go around on each side and just try to push it out, and it'll pop out eventually, but it's not a big deal. Alright, let's get this. This one also has a good amount of slack, so nothing to worry about there. And that one's out. Here comes the blue. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful strip of blue. God, blue is just such an amazing color, isn't it? Holy shit. Ah, got it in, and we are blue, folks. We did it. Give yourself a round of applause. It was pretty easy, but just gotta get that right angle in. So those are the installs for the LEDs. Got 2 nice bright blue LEDs in the footwells. A nice accent. And we did 2 puddle lights in the door handles. So I'm gonna show you guys how they look at night, and good to go. All right, this is the puddle lights before. I mean, it's there, you can kind of see it, but it's not that great. And these are the ambient accent lights inside. The normal stock lights that it comes with. Not that bright. Looks like a white dim light. Let's see how it looks when it's upgraded. Upgrades. So here we are with the upgraded puddle lights. Got the Tesla T with Tesla. Got the blue interior footwell lights. Looking real nice. Real nice. Look at that. Looking real good. You know, you just like pop it in, get in. You got the blue. Got the beautiful blue. You got the puddle banger. Look at that. Tesla. Looking good. Let's see the other side. Yup. It's looking good. Got the puddle. The Footwell looking good. Yeah, I like how that turned out.